welcome back to my channel. So today we would like to create a mockup. The mockup in question, an example, I will just show you an example of the mockup that we would like to create. We are going to create it using Canva. This is the mockup that we would like to create in Canva. So I'll take you through the process on how to create this kind of mockup in Canva. But firstly, before we create the mockup, we need to have a blank hood and an image of this little man here. He looks like trouble. Okay, so um I have some of the pictures. I call him Naughty. This is the image that we are going to use to create a mockup on our hoodie. But as you can see, this image has a background. So before we use it, we need to take out the background because we cannot upload any image with the background in Canva that we need to use as a mockup. It won't just look nice. So this is the image with a background. So I'll show you after I removed the background how it looks like. This is the image without the background. That means we are going to use this alone as part of our mockup. We are going to upload it in our Canva. So let's go and upload it in our Canva so that we can create the mockup. Okay, we are now in Canva. Now we have to go to create a design. I have a blank hoodie here, so we are going to use that. So I'll take my blank hoodie. Let me check where it is. Let's take this one. Yeah, let's use this blank hoodie, and I'll go and upload my image that I would like to use, the one that I've already removed the background. Mr. Naughty here. This one always look like he want to make trouble. So I'm going to click on it and I'll bring it here. And make sure you put it on the center. Okay, this is the center. You can follow the pink guidelines to make sure that everything is centered. The hood is on the center and Mickey Mouse is on the center, but you can also um, adjust it, make this naughty guy as big as you can. Okay, so this is the mockup, and then next what you have to do, you have to group so that the image should be attached to the hood. Remember, we are going to download the image, so you are going to group everything together. Here now it's like one picture. So this is the mockup that we have now. So you can create any mockups, any kind of mockups with anything in Canva, just the way I've showed you now. You just go and download as JPEG and use it. Yeah, so this is how you create a mockup. Thank you so much for watching. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background from the image and upload it in Canva as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.